to my life. Hello everybody! We have new refrigerator! This refrigerator was again a present from my parents-in-law. Let me show you what's inside our refrigerator. And I'm just so happy, that's why. This refrigerator is PANASONIC. This refrigerator is very far from our last refrigerator. Yes. So, as you see, I can't reach so much. Our refrigerator is so high, so tall. This is 181 centimeters and I'm just 145. Yes. And what else? Its width is 60 centimeters. Yeah, 60 centimeters, and its depth from here to here is 68 centimeters. Okay, this is just an information for those who want to buy. For those who want to buy the same refrigerator as us, as ours. They have here their menu of how high, how low the temperature of the refrigerator you want to be. It's normal refrigerator and it's freezer. So
also fast to make ice.
Yes. This menu really has everything, like all of the settings that you want your refrigerator to be. So it really depends on you and how you do it. Okay? So are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! So let's start from here. You see, this is very, very tall. This is ramen. We really love ramen, but this kind of ramen is a dry ramen. We bought this in Costco. Yes, we went to Costco yesterday to buy things for our refrigerator. And we also have here our chicken steak. These here on top are instant, just in case we are not in the mood to cook or we just want something quick. So we can just have these. We have this chicken steak and this ramen from Costco. Okay, we have here our baby's yogurt. We have here our miso, dashi, spoiled. This miso is spoiled soy, which we can use for soup. Yes, we have here eggs. We have here sausage, and this area is having my chocolates. Can you remember my chocolates place was there before, but I transferred it here since it's already summer and it might melt. So here I have here 2 containers for my chocolates. And we have here our juice, orange juice. We have here, we call it lato in the Philippines. I don't know, sea grapes, something like that. And I have here my chocolate again. And we have here coaster. We prepared it here just in case we have leftover in a pot. So since this fridge is already big, we can just put our pot here if ever we have leftover. And just so you know, we can also extend this one like this. Show Papa. We can extend this one like this if you want. You can also put it backwards. Yeah, you can also put it backwards like this. But since this juice is high enough, so we chose it this way for now. And here under is Corona, Papa's beer. And yeah, you see the lights are turning on and off. That means you're already opening the refrigerator long enough. And this is Coca-Cola. This is not sponsored, but maybe Coca-Cola, Corona, or other beer companies, beverage companies, maybe you want to sponsor us someday. And this is my baby's tea pack. Yeah, my baby's tea pack, you see. We make tea for our baby every now and then. Yes, he has here tea bags. And we also have here blocks. You see, can you show my feet, Papa? Look at me, I'm tiptoeing now. Yeah, this one. Not tiptoe, something like I'm moving like this, putting my toes high. And leftover snacks. These are something like sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, another sauce, and chili sauce. We have here also this is mustard, wasabi, garlic, and we have here chocolate syrup. Can you remember when I made cake? I put this one. And again, garlic, and we have here sauce for barbecue. And if we make gyudon, and we have here vanilla. We have here margarita. I like this area because this is very wide. This has 2 spaces, and you can really put big things. See, you can put picture here. You can also put this margarita here and milk. Yeah, this is really spacious. This here area is really spacious. You can also put eggs here. Yeah, whichever you want, which way you want your fridge to be arranged. Yes, and also this one. This is for the ice maker. You just have to slide this. You just have to slide this, and then you have to put water and put it here, and automatically it will make ice. It will go this way. And they also have their scoop. You just have to do this. This is very, very convenient. Okay, so we are done in this area. Let's go to the next one. Good. This is the ice room. Okay, and this is the chilled room also, right, Papa? Freezer, but fast kind of freezer. Next, this one. This is the freezer area. They have 2 racks. We put this one. This is chicken, already fried chicken. This is broccoli, these are meatballs, and takoyaki. Yes, these are also instant, just in case we want things to be quicker, or if ever I was not able to cook and we went from somewhere. So these are our quick or ready-made food. So we will just microwave it. And these are the raw foods, raw meat. Chicken, we have here pork, chicken, spare ribs, drumsticks, and legs and thighs. And we also have here minced. Yes, and my ice cream. And yeah, I like it. I divided it this way because it's cleaner this way, and it's also easy to find. For example, if we want to cook chicken for that day, we will just find which is the chicken's department or the chicken's container. So yeah, easy. And yeah, and it's also very clean and arranged, right? I really love arranging. So we're done with this area. So this is just normal refrigerator. This is the ice room, the chiller room, the freezer, and this one is for vegetables. Yes, vegetables. This is also like a normal refrigerator, but warmer. 2 degrees warmer than this area, yes. So Papa has his salad, his yogurt, because he's on a diet. We have here asparagus, and this container we have to also buy fruits and vegetables, yes. But for now we just have asparagus, this spring onion, and carrots. Yeah, only this area for now. Yes, this fridge can also hold something as long as you have the holders. So these holders were bought from 100 yen shop. So we have here our kitchen papers holder. So this is very easy if we need. We have here our wrap. Yes, our wrap holder as well, aluminum foil, and also our tissues one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our refrigerator tour, and please comment down below what your comments are. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, Aida Soko. Please subscribe to my Aida Soko channel. Yeah.